Namaste, Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. So today we are going to talk about such a topic which is so relevant and so important among all age groups. Earlier, elderly people used to have this problem, but these days even youngsters are having this problem and they really need a natural cure for that. This is the problem of pigmentation. So when you have pigmentation, which is commonly known as jhaiya on your skin, of course, that somehow you feel lack of confidence in you. You want to cover it with concealers or maybe some artificial cosmetics, but that is not the permanent solution. So of course, can we have a permanent solution to it? Where there is yoga, where there is Bharat Yoga, there is definitely a permanent solution to each and every problem. I'm going to talk about very simple ways through which you can bid a farewell to pigmentation, jhaiya, and you can have beautiful, flawless skin. And these ways are very important, especially during winters. So let's get started. So very first thing is Tulsi Paste, that is basil leaves. Take basil leaves, make fine paste of these basil leaves and apply these basil leaves at the affected area. So generally, women have pigmentation at this area, very common, or some people have at their forehead or any other part of your body as well. So just take this basil paste, apply it like a pack at the affected area, let it stay for 20 minutes and then wash it. Second is take raw milk, whichever milk is there in your home, whatever is edible, like you take that milk raw before boiling it. So take raw milk, let's say 2 spoons of raw milk or maybe 3 spoons of raw milk and half lemon. Just squeeze it and take out this lemon juice, mix this mixture well, and then take this lemon. And this mixture will be जैसे फटा हुआ दूध होता है उस तरह का हो जाएगा. So take this mixture and apply it on your face with that lemon only. Just apply it on your face and give a nice massage for, let's say, 10 minutes. Let it stay for further 3 to 4 minutes and wash your face. This is the best time to do it is just before your shower, when you have already entered your bath area or your bathroom, and there you apply it and then you take shower. This is not just going to help you in bidding a farewell to pigmentation, but also this is a wonderful way to have glowing, flawless skin. And even if your complexion has become dark due to age or due to other factors, even this can also help in that as well. So this was point 2. Let's go to point 3. Point 3 is very simple. You have green tea bags, right? So just take green tea bag, dip it in warm water, let the water go out, and then apply this bag at the affected area. Just keep it for 20 minutes and then wash your face. Fourth is very simple. We all have tomatoes at home, right? So you have to eat a lot of tomatoes. You can eat tomato soup. I have recently shared a wonderful recipe of tomato, carrot and beetroot soup, which is so good for your skin, and not just skin, for your overall health. But here you have to take few tomatoes, of course eat tomatoes, but take few tomatoes and make a nice paste of tomato and apply this tomato paste at the affected area where you have pigmentation. Let it stay for 20 minutes and then rinse your face. Fifth is take a little bit of yogurt. Now, yogurt is easily available at home, right? Take yogurt, mix a little bit of honey in it and put a little bit of saffron in it. Mix it well. It's like a nice paste or a face pack. Apply it at the affected area. Let it stay for 20 minutes and then rinse your face. Seventh is, of course, masoor dal paste. I have shared so many times with you how masoor dal is such an amazing thing for your skin. So best way is to make a nice powder of masoor dal, the yellow one, the orangish one. Keep it in your at your dressing table. Take a little bit of masoor dal, put a little bit of milk in it, make a nice paste and apply it at the affected area. Let it stay for 20 minutes and then rinse your face. Seventh is stay stress-free. It's very important because one of the major reasons behind pigmentation is your stress. So you just need to stay stress free. Now you can find out your ways to stay stress free. If you love dancing, dance for some time. If you love music, sing for some time. If you love listening to music, listen it for some time. You must practice yoga nidra. You must practice meditation. And you must practice some soothing yogic practices to stay stress free. Eighth is regular yoga abhyas. It's very, very important, especially yoga abhyas for your skin. So I will be sharing the link in the description box. Make sure that you practice these kriyas every day, because we need to bring the circulation of blood upwards so that our skin can glow, so that we can have flawless, beautiful skin, good brain, healthy eyes. Hence, it's very, very important that we practice yoga abhyas every single day. Eighth is, do not forget to practice yoga nidra. We will be sharing the link of English Yoga Nidra at the description box. What you have to do is just on that video, lie down and listen to it. What can be more easiest way, right? So practicing Yoga Nidra, the self-healing potential of your body starts working. So your prana shakti, your self-healing process activates, and this way, not just your skin, but your whole body and your mind gets healed. 10th is, you must take fresh air and you must stay hydrated. So that means air and water. Two are very, very important. So must go out of your home, let the air touch your skin, let the air touch your body, spend 20 minutes outside, better if sunlight is also there, and make sure that you drink ample water. So these are 10 very, very simple ways through which you can bid a farewell to pigmentation, and you can stay healthy, happy, and you can also have beautiful, flawless skin. That's all for today. Stay healthy, stay happy, lots of love, light, and blessings. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send it to us. We will definitely come up with a solution. Hari Om, Jai Hind, Vande Matram.